Good afternoon, Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. We just listed this 2023 MJM 3Z. The boat's fully equipped with just about every option that you can possibly have. As you can see, it's an all-weather pallet boat, pilot house. The boat is, all these windows open and close. I have them all in the open position right now. I have STID captain and helm seat chairs. Zip wake technology, the new binnacle helm for the Mercury 300 Verados. The nice table is fully glossed and really great table for entertaining, which folds up to make better avenues for walking through. You have a grill to this side, refrigerator here, plenty of seating around the stern. You see the bimini top in the aft section. You can close this boat off and make a full enclosure. So a really nice boat for all weather conditions. MJM, lighter, faster, stronger is kind of their technology that they use. We'd be glad to tell you more about it. Give us a call, 912-525-0961. Chet Porter, MarineMax Savannah. Thank you.